Hello, I am Nancy. In this video, we will learn how to add a button with link in WhatsApp bot. First of all, log into your omnixbot account and then click on all bots. Now select your bot and wait for few seconds. Now click on continue to next step and click on send message. Then click on text option. Now you need to enter the message which you want to send to your customers or users. To add a button with link, please click on Add Button option. Here you need to enter the button text. For this video, we are putting Visit YouTube as YouTube text. Then click on Select Next Step. Here, you need to select the Open Website option. Enter the web address in Website Address field. Then click on the Save button. Finally, publish the flow by clicking on the Publish button. Our flow has been published. Now we need to test the flow to check if button with link is working or not. To do that, let's go to WhatsApp and test it. You can see that link with button is not working. To create a button with link, we need to create a Facebook message template. Let's do it. We need to go to developers.facebook.com. Then click on Settings. Then click on More Businesses. Now click on WhatsApp Accounts. Then click on Settings. Then click on WhatsApp Manager. On this page, you need to click on left sidebar and then click on Message Templates. On this page, click on Create Message Template. Now select Marketing option. Here you need to enter the name of the template. Then you need to select the language for template. Now click on the Continue button. On this page, in the body section, you need to enter the message you want to send to your customers or users. Then scroll down. In the button section, click on None and select Call to Action. Now click on Call Phone Number option and select Visit Website. Here you need to enter the button text. Then paste the web address in website URL field. You can check the template demo by scrolling to right. In top right corner, you can see the demo. Click on Submit button. Then click on Confirm button. Now click on Done button. Here, you can see that message template have been submitted for approval. You need to wait for few minutes to get it approved by Facebook. After some time, just refresh the page and you will see that the message template has been approved with a green icon. Now go back to omnixbot inside your bot. Then click on Then Contents in left sidebar. Now on this page, click on Message Template. Then click on Sync WhatsApp Templates. You can see that all the template has been synced. Now click on Flows in the left sidebar. Click Main Flow to open. Now click on the Send Message one. Then click on the Delete icon to delete the existing message. Click Confirm to delete it. Now select the Message Template option from right sidebar. Then click on the Edit button. Here you need to select the WhatsApp template. Then click on the Save button. And finally click on the Publish button to publish the flow. Now, it's time to test the button with link is working or not. Let's go to WhatsApp. Just say hi and wait for response. So you can see there is button. To test button, just tap on it. Congratulations, it's working. For omnixbot support, you can send WhatsApp to this number.